So now we'll cover our one very basic topic, resonance. We have not started yet for gate. We are just completing our fundamental basic, like you can see degree of freedom itself took so much time. Now we'll go for, there is something called resonance. So first we'll understand what is resonance. Actually, in electricity, resonance is different, and in our basic life, resonance is different. Here, in case of vibration, whenever we talk about resonance, it means there is a force. Suppose you have a ceiling and then a spring and then you have a mass here. Okay, now you are applying any force, and this force is helpful to maintain the vibration of the mass. Without this force, this mass cannot vibrate. Just imagine a situation, this force, without the force, mass cannot vibrate. In that case, whatever force you are applying, that force itself is not a constant force. It means this force itself is going to have a frequency. It means this force itself is F naught sine omega, after that T. And when the vibration will take place, in this case x will be equal to, because it is vertical motion, so you write y is equal to y naught sine omega dash t, you write. Now you can see this angular frequency is different, this angular frequency is different. The force which is exciting the vibration, this force we call as force of excitation, force of excitation, or you can simply say external force. So this frequency, what we are writing here, it is known as natural frequency of the system. But this frequency is not natural frequency of the system, it is the frequency of the force. When both the frequencies omega dash and omega is going to be equal, then you get maximum amplitude in the vibration. That phenomena is known as resonance. So for that, you just mention a word like this: when the frequency of external excitation is equal to natural frequency of the system, excitation. Okay, I'll explain again. First I will write this sentence, then I'll explain again, don't worry. When the frequency of excitation is equal to natural frequency of the system, then vibration becomes excessively large. Slowly take down, don't be in hurry. System may deform. So we should never touch resonance frequency. System may deform. So this phenomena, when your omega dash will be equal to omega, is known as resonance phenomena. Resonance is actually a phenomena. Resonance is not anything, it is just a phenomena. Resonance is kind of accident. Like accident is a phenomena, resonance is a phenomena. Okay.